A few moments later.
So guys, nagdala si Aliyah ng banana, may pakpak pa.
Hi, B.
A few moments later.
Hi, guys.
Opa.
Hi, everyone. We are from SPA7 Makuha, and we're going to do foliar fertilizer.
Yay!
So we have here an apple and banana, and we also need the brown sugar. And the brown sugar, 1 part
And-
brown sugar, and container. It's 1 liter. So we're gonna start to cut this thing.
Yes, let's go.
So first, we are going to do this. We are going to pour muna this over here sa container. Tama ba? Oo, yeah. Okay. So open right now. You need to be careful because it is very tilosing. Right, like tilosing. Yes, it is very tilosing. It is very tilosing. Nice. So we are going to do 1 and 1. You know what 1 and 1 means? If 1 banana, you only need 1 sugar na 1/4 and 1 apple. Ako na mag-tape. So, iti-tape natin siya all over dito para as in wala siyang air na baka kasi mamaya pasukan ng langaw, kinaimarot, ganito lang. So, yun lang guys. Tabush! We are done na. We are done.